Wentunula mazima ndaba watali gwe Mukama yenze nandibadde ntya ennaku nanzizizeewa onwanira entalo abalabe ze baleeta kale ne bwe bayimuka nga Mukama oli sitya sinsonga wadde nga sirina maanyi kuba Mukama tuula mu nze oli w'amaanyi ssebo sinsonga wadde nga sirina sente kuba gwe Katonda gwe nsinza ensi eno kanyimbe nyamuse erinnya lyo Yesu Mukama otalinze nandibadde ntya na bino Mukama ebinnuma bitwale abalabe bange banzijjeko olukongolo nyamba nsobola okukozesa ekitone kyompadde era nsaba onnyambe onzijjemu amalala saba okozese obulavu bwange nga kyalina maanyi okozese ebinene kanyimbe erinnya lya Yesu Mukama watalinze nandibadde ntya nalina Mukama ebinnuma bitwale abalabe bange banzijjeko olukongolo na 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 bitwale tata banzijjeko olukongolo.
Nice. What's the scene?
You let us high, Your Majesty. Gave up everything for me, suffered at the ends of those you have created. You took all my guilt and shame when you died and rose again. Now today you reign, forgiven and have exalted. I really wanna worship you, my Lord. You are my heart and I am yours, forever and ever. I will love you. You are the only one who died for me, gave your life to set me free. So I lift my voice to you in adoration. I really wanna worship you, my Lord. You are my heart and I am yours, forever and ever. I will love you. You are the only one who died for me, gave your life to set me free. So I lift my voice to you in adoration. You are the only one who died for me, gave your life to set me free. So I lift my voice to you in adoration. You are the only one who died for me, gave your life to set me free. So I lift my voice to you in adoration. You are the only one who died for me, gave your life to set me free. So I lift my voice to you in adoration.
Bravo!
God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. God will make a way. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. Seems to be no way. He walks in ways you cannot see. We cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closer to His side. Hold me closer to His side. His love and strength for each new day. He will make a way. He will make a way. By the roadway and the wilderness He leads me. Rivers in the desert will I see. Oh, heaven and earth will fall, and the trust will be renewed, and there will be something new today. Oh, God, make a way where there seems to be no way. He walks in ways you cannot see. We cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closer to His side. His love and strength for each new day. He will make a way. He will make a way. God will make a way. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He walks in ways you cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closer to His side. His love and strength for each new day. He will make a way. He will make a way. There comes a time when we hear a sudden call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. We are the part of God's great big family, and truth, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There are choices we make it. We're saving our own lives. It's to make a brighter day, just you and me. Oh, we can go on. Send them your heart. Oh, send them know that someone cares, and the cries for help will not be in vain. We won't let them suffer. Oh, we cannot turn away. Right now, they need a helping hand. Let someone learn. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we make it. We're saving our own lives. Always true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the world, we are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. We are down and out, let's live for it all. But if we just believe, there's no way we can fail. Well, let's realize, oh, let's change the way we can. When we come together as one. We are the world. We are the children. We are the one to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice to make it. What's saving our lives is to make a brighter day, just you and me. This is how we know to love. Jesus gave his life for others. This is how we show to love. We should give life for brothers. He gave his life for me. He gave his life for you. He gave his life for me. He gave his life for you. Love is demonstrated, Father, anointed. Love is demonstrated again. Love is everlasting, love is the trespassing, love is demonstrated again. He gave his life for you, he gave his life for me. He gave his life for you, he gave his life for me. This is how we know to love. Jesus gave his life for others. This is how we show to love. We should give our life for brothers. He gave his life for me. He gave his life for you. He gave his life for me. He gave his life for you. He gave his life for me.
That's good. That's good. Yes.
Others. Don't be discouraged or realized it. Had to take courage in a world full of people. You can decide all the olive darkness still inside you makes you feel so smart. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, can remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you take it all together, you call me up because you know I'll be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors. True colors are beautiful like a rain.